Welcome back to Larte Design channel, and in this video I would like to present to you the maximum exclusivity. This is the complete custom-made project done for our client in-house in Germany at Larte Design for his Lamborghini URUS S. Wow! Have a look together and see what we have done on this car. In today's video, we will together walk around this car and I will show you the design of this project from all the perspectives. We will first of all have a look at the front, then look at the side and the rear view of this project, which is, by the way, called Lenda. So let's dive in and have a look at all the modifications we have done at Larte Design. To continue on the front, this brutal look, we have also added a few pieces on the bottom. Let's first have a look at this insert here in the front, also done in carbon fiber but painted in this matte black. On the side here you will see we have also added Larte Design logo, and on the bottom, in addition to this piece, we have also included the sporty and aggressive Larte Design splitter. Now if you have a careful look, you will see that this splitter has got interesting design lines just to highlight this masculinity of this sporty SUV. Just before I finish talking about the front of this car, let me show you and prove you that this painted hood actually is made from carbon fiber. Let's have a look on the inside now. Have a look. This is the exposed carbon fiber hood done by Larte Design in-house, but painted in the body color of this car just to match this brutal look. Let me know what do you think about this exclusive front upgrade. After talking about the front upgrades on this car, we now continue talking about the side view. So first of all, let's start talking about the rims. As you can see, these are the stock original Lamborghini rims painted in a glossy black color, but we decided to complete a full matte black look at Larte Design, and therefore we have also forged Larte Design wheels in size 23 in complete black matte look. So if you have a closer look, you will see that in the middle, in this main part, is painted in the body color of the car, including here the special Larte Design logo here in the middle. And if you have a look at the outer part of this rim, you will see that this rounded part is painted in glossy black color, and in addition with this Larte Design signature here. Therefore, in my opinion, this rim is something super exclusive and something super special. Let me know if you think that this reel perfectly matches to this overall look of this car. In addition to this special Larte Design forged wheels, we have also included interesting design pieces on the side of this car. First of all, we start looking at the front fenders here. In addition, by the way, have a look here with the Larte Edition logo, which is the part of the front splitter. We continue looking at the side elements here, and here we come to this interesting two-piece solution on the side, including this Larte Design logos on both sides, and therefore, in my opinion, these pieces highlight and emphasize the power of this luxury URUS. Now it is also time to show you the side piece here, which definitely adds a premium look on the side as well. And as you can see, it's also painted in the body color. So basically for this project, the client has decided to replace all glossy black pieces with black matte pieces by Larte Design. And I must say that this project is the cause of one mistake. And what I mean by that is that each matte paint part cannot be repolished, meaning that you can only paint it once, and therefore it is truly individual. The side look continues by these side moldings on the bottom, and as you can also have a look here, you will see that this piece is also special as it has this aerodynamic feature in the middle. Now this is a two-piece part, and therefore creates this volume on this car. And of course, in addition with the Larte Design logo, also to make you feel here more special. And to finalize the side look, also in the back we have included the side fenders here, and these are actually super easy to install. And if you have a look at the previous video, you will see how easily I uninstalled them and installed them. So this is a super interesting plug-in philosophy that we have at Larte Design. And pay close attention here, we've got in the back as well a Larte Design logo to complete the overall individual look. And most importantly, as you can see, all these parts are painted in the body color, just like the client wanted to have his URUS. All these parts are actually made from 100% carbon fiber, produced and made in Germany at Larte Design. So as you can see, each project and each client are very individual, and we are glad to make this project with you individual as well. Last but not least, let me also show you the rear look in detail now. And as you can already see, we have done quite a lot on this car and for this project. So here as well, as you can already see, we have also painted all the parts in body color to make and complete this brutal look. And first of all, let's start at the massive part on the bottom, which is the rear bumper diffuser. And here, of course, we have included the Larte Design signature, which are the special brake lights. Now look at this, how this element really makes this look even more individual and also special. Now if you have a closer look on the top of this part, we have also added a Larte Design logo here, in addition with this extra art also painted in body color. Now what I also really want to show you here on this look are the special Larte Design exhaust tubes. Now these are the aerospace aluminum exhaust tubes developed especially for this Lamborghini project, and these are a 3-piece part. And as you can see, this perfectly complements this geometrical look where each line is carefully emphasized and highlighted, therefore creating this masculine look. And as we also now look further up here, we have also included 2 additional pieces on this car, which are the 2 spoilers. So if you have a look, as you already know, the original URUS has already got a spoiler in the back, but we have decided to make it even more sportier. So if you can see here again, all the lines are perfectly visible on this spoiler. And in addition, we have also added the top spoiler. By the way, this is an extra piece. The stock URUS S does not have a top spoiler, and therefore we have decided to also add and complete this overall look by this sporty spoiler on the top as well. And what I would like to also mention here, which is also an important point, that all these parts that you have now seen are all certified and have been tested according to Germany tube standards. Therefore, it's not only about the appearance and this powerful look of your Lamborghini URUS, but it's also about your safety and all the functionality. To finish off this video, and as you already know, we also did a sound check in the end. And as you know, we do not change the original exhaust system here, however, only the exhaust tips as I already showed them to you. So now it's time to also listen to the sound of this URUS and see if this massive and powerful look also matches the way it sounds. And I would like to thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video very soon. So now let's see if this maximum exclusivity also matches the way it sounds.